Using the gravitational potential energy equation for calculating mass by kscience.com. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. This new bird is 12 meters above ground level. It's got 200 joules stored in its gravitational potential energy store. We want to work out the bird's mass. So recall the equation, E equals mass times height times gravitational field strength. And now we want to rearrange for mass. So you cover M. So M equals E divided by H times G. And now you can substitute in the numbers. Mass equals 200 joules of energy in the bird's gravitational potential energy store divided by 12 meters above the ground times 9.8 newtons per kilogram, the gravitational field strength on Earth. That gives you a mass of the bird of 1.7 kilograms. So the mass of the bird is 1.7 kilograms. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So the rat on the floor. The bird drops down to catch the rat and then flies off with the rat. So the bird and the rat are now 10 meters above the ground. The combined gravitational potential energy store of the bird and the rat is 260 joules. So you can pause here to calculate the mass of the bird and the rat. I will go through it with you. So you recall gravitational potential energy equals mass times height times gravitational field strength. Rearrange for M. So M equals E divided by H times G. Mass equals gravitational potential energy stored in the object divided by height times gravitational field strength. Substitute in the numbers. M equals 260 joules divided by 10 meters times by 9.8 newtons per kilogram. That gives you a combined mass of the bird and the rat of 2.65 kilograms. So we know what the mass of the bird is, 1.7 kilograms. But what is the mass of the rat? So you do the mass of both of them, 2.65 kilograms. So you do the mass of both of them, 2.65 kilograms, minus the mass of the bird, 1.7 kilograms. And that gives you an answer for the rat of 0.95 kilograms. The mass of the rat is 0.95 kilograms. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit kscience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at kscience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.